What is your role here today?
I'm here in the role of CEO of Xspray Pharma.
And why do you think life science is such an interesting sector?
Life science is it's an interesting question. I think that the colleagues of mine, I've always been working in it, and the colleagues of mine that goes out to other industries immediately notice that it's not for humans best always, if it is a consumable product or so. So it's a natural part to be able to develop things be in the development process of creating a better life for people. For us, example, we're in cancer treatment, and I believe that we all of us see that cancer is not a death sentence the way it was some 20, 30 years ago. Now people are surviving much longer, and this is all because incremental changes in medication. So for me, I think it's an interesting sector because we are getting older, and that means that the diseases and our life quality expectations is sort of driving the economy towards the life science sector, even if it's been pounded the last 6 months in Sweden at least.
And can you see any specific trends or themes in the life science sector?
Yeah, well, you always, from a Swedish perspective, I think that what you see is that when the bigger projects like Astra, you have those which has the full projects, full-blown projects in-house. You have Sobi that we in my world also need to be there in order to for as a ground as a teaching ground for people. So what you see in these companies like ourselves and others is that it's sort of the smaller parts that comes out of that. I mean, all my staff has been in one of the bigger pharma companies. You need to have that experience if you're going to put products out on the market at the late stage that we are in. So we need that type of experience in Sweden. Right now we're trying, I think that many companies is within that field that we're using that knowledge we have from that time or that experience. And then, but it doesn't become a big project like this. It's become smaller parts where you can actually make money and contribute, I think. So that's what I see here, and that's how I see things right now.
Okay, thank you very much for those answers, and thanks for being here presenting today.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.